In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick a Squarespace template. We'll walk through the exact flow Squarespace provides, from your very first click to the moment you start editing your new site. By the end, you'll know how to choose a design that matches your goals without getting stuck in decision fatigue. Start by heading to Squarespace and clicking Create Website. This begins a quick onboarding that helps the platform suggest designs that fit your needs. Don't worry, you're not committing to anything paid here. This is just setting up your starting point. Next, choose the topic for your website. This simply narrows the options so you're not wading through everything at once. As an example, I'll pick art. If your site is for something else, choose the category that's closest. You can always customize the design later, so think of this as picking a direction rather than a final destination. Click Next to continue. You'll see a question about what you want to do with your website. Select the goals that match your plans. For example, I'll choose promote a physical business and sell products. These choices help Squarespace prioritize features like store pages, contact information, and calls to action. You can adjust your setup later, so pick the options that best reflect where you're headed now. Click Next again. Now click Choose a template. This opens the gallery of designs tailored to the topic and goals you selected. Browse through the options and select a template that feels right for your content. Focus on structure and layout, hero sections, gallery styles, navigation placement, because fonts, colors, and images are all easy to change. Try to picture your own photos and text in place of the demo content. When you've found a favorite, click Start with this design. Squarespace will spin up a working site using that template. It may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish preparing your editor. Once the site is ready, click Edit Site to open the main builder. You'll land in the design with demo pages already set up, which makes it easier to see how sections are arranged and where your content will go. Then click Edit to enter page editing mode. From here, you can replace placeholder images, rewrite text, adjust sections, and fine-tune styles. Think of this as your staging area to experiment with layout and messaging until it matches your brand and goals. And that's it. Create your website, choose a topic and goals, pick a template, start with that design, and begin editing. You now have a clear path to selecting a Squarespace template that works for you.